In today's video, we're going to begin our look at the system preferences in macOS so we can stylize and personalize our operating system exactly how we want it. To get the system preferences up, you can either spotlight search by pressing Command and Space and searching System Preferences, or we can go to the Apple logo in the top left and click it from there. As you can see, since I have a software update available, it will immediately take me there. However, the main menu looks like this. First thing we'll look at in this video is our General tab here. From here, we can select the appearance of our themes on macOS. This will affect our dialog boxes, or you can set it to auto so it works with the sun. You can change the accent colors and the size of your sidebar icons if you want them to be larger or smaller. You can edit what the scroll bars do. I'd always recommend have it based on your mouse or trackpad because it's different depending on each device. And you can also set your default web browser to whatever you like. I'm just Safari for the default, but if you'd like a different browser, you would change it in this option here. You can set how you prefer your tabs to open when opening documents. So as you can see, I prefer them in full screen, but if you'd rather that not be the case, you can change that. And then also our recent items, we can change how many are displayed. So if you want 30 in your recent items, you can set it to that, and it will load the 30 recent items when you look for them. Thanks for watching. Visit Kazzicom.com for more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365, and many more services.